Okay, guys, welcome to day one of the creating your own passive income machine. Day one's going to be very, very easy. It's going to take you a couple of minutes, and boom, you're going to be done with it. Okay, so let's jump right in. So the first thing we got to do, we got to have a crypto wallet. Okay, a cryptocurrency wallet that we store our money in, our cryptocurrency in. Okay, this is what DeFi or decentralized finance is all about. A DeFi wallet, you control what they call the private keys to it. Okay, now there's several out there. You can Google those. I prefer you didn't do that because there's a lot of scams out there with fake websites. So here's what you do: go to. Now I use MetaMask.io, MetaMask.io, and go straight there. And this is the site you will come to right there. You'll need MetaMask. So you click Get MetaMask, depending on. Now, you can use this in mobile as well. I prefer to do all my crypto on desktop or laptop because when I'm copying and pasting wallet addresses, I want to make sure I don't make a mistake. It's easy to make a mistake on a cell phone, mobile. So I make all of my transactions, I use desktop or laptop. Now you can see I use Google Chrome. But if you use a different browser, Firefox, Brave, Edge, it works on all of them, and it will install this on as a browser extension. Okay, so click Get Started, and you will download the browser extension, install MetaMask extension for your browser, and that is it. It's going to ask you if you have an existing wallet to put in your what they call seed phrase, a 12 to 24 word phrase that if whoever has that seed phrase controls your wallet. So make sure you write your seed phrase down in several locations. Think of it like this. If your living conditions, if your house burnt down, could you access your seed phrase? Okay, don't store it on your computer where that could possibly be hacked, or your phone if somebody were to get your phone. So write it down several locations and store it where only you can have access to it. Do not ever give anybody your seed phrase. Okay, now get started. I'm going to show you mine. I already have mine on right here. You can see the little fox guy as a browser extension. It'll ask you for a password to log in, but remember your seed phrase is everything, okay? So write that down. This is day one. This is very, very easy, but you have to have your seed phrase. Now, here's how my education in anything online in the crypto world or whatever I want to do online, if I didn't know the answer and I didn't know a lot of them, I'd just go to YouTube and type in whatever you want to know, whatever you want to know and how to do it, just type it in. There's tons and tons and tons of YouTube videos how to install MetaMask wallet. Boom. I'm going to leave this video in the description. You can see it right there. Just watch one of these. It's real easy, real simple. If you have any questions, you can watch the first one right there. How to install MetaMask 2026. Real easy, real simple. I'll leave this one here too. I watched this video. It's good. So I'll leave that one in here as well. All right, so download MetaMask. This is day one. We have to have a wallet so we can put our crypto in it so we can get started creating our passive income machine. On day two, we're going to get started in crypto. What I'm showing you is what we call decentralized finance. You're in control. But if you never bought crypto before, we have to use a centralized exchange to buy our crypto. And we'll get into that more tomorrow. But first thing you do, go to MetaMask.io, download your browser extension wallet, and create your password, save your seed phrase, and make sure you get that done. Okay, you got to get that done. This is step one. I will check on day 2 to make sure everybody got that done, because we can't go any further if you don't have a wallet. All right, so plain and simple, I'll see you guys on day 2. Bye for now.